I printed t-shirts for a living. It was hard work. It was a lot of hours in the day. It's what I did to pay the bills. I didn't like it. I hated it, to be honest. But again, it paid the bills. It was what I did to bring money home, pay the mortgage, pay the rent, it was at the time, and put food on the table. Now, I did make some money doing it. And what happened at that point is when I had a little bit of money, I thought maybe I'd get smart and I'd make my money work for me a little bit. A friend of mine was investing in this one company, and he encouraged me to do the same. He said, you know what, if you got some money, this is a place to go. I'm making a decent return. So I did that. I put some money into this one company, and for a while, it worked out really well. They were making a decent return for me month after month, more than I figured maybe they should, based on stuff that I'd known from before. You know, you put money in a bank, get 2% a year, whatever. These guys were doing better than that. One thing led to another, and this investment company got shut down. And my money with it, it was gone. So what I did was I investigated the company a little bit. It wasn't so much the company, it was how they were making these returns. How did they make their money? I figured maybe if it was something that I could understand, maybe I could do the same thing too. Because I really didn't like the t-shirt thing. I wanted to get out of that. These guys made some money. I wanted to look into it. And what they made their money doing was trading Forex. They were investing in the Forex market. So I took that and I ran with it a little bit. I investigated the Forex markets, and I looked for brokers and platforms and forums and systems, and I really got into this. I really did sort of latch on to the whole Forex analysis stuff. I liked the charts. I loved the charts. I would spend a lot of time analyzing charts, applying indicators, looking for brand new indicators that I've never seen before. And I really got into this, and I think it was the math behind it. I like the form, the structure. Not that there's math that anybody needs to know, but I liked that mathematical component. I can think that way. And I really did become, for lack of a better word, obsessed with the whole process. I did good enough trading that I was able to get out of the t-shirts and trade full time. And those first 2 years, I really did make all the mistakes, all the rookie mistakes. I mean, all of them. I probably invented some mistakes, but I overcame these mistakes, and I was able to get out of the ruts that I fell into, and I was able to find ways to jump over the pit holes, or the pitfalls. And along this path, along this way, I was able to join a couple of forums that were reputable. And over time, I came across traders in these forums that were having similar problems that I had, but I had managed to figure them out and solve these problems. So what I was able to do was offer advice. And I really did enjoy that component. I was able to help people that were in a situation that I was in and was able to figure how to get out of. So I discovered essentially that I liked that training component, that teaching component. I knew something that could help somebody else solve a problem that I had and was able to overcome. I was making enough money trading that I could sell the t-shirt company. And I think sell the t-shirt company is an overstatement. I basically gave the thing away. I had a friend that was interested in taking over. I said, you got it, take it. I did sell it for a very small amount of money, but I just wanted to get out of that. And then from there, I was trading 100%. It was full time. That's how I made my money. And I was trading a trading system that I had eventually developed. And I thought, maybe I could put this together. It would help other traders. And I made a commercial package out of it. And I sold it. And that gave me an opportunity not to just give traders a system that works, but an opportunity to help them. There were forums involved, and we were able to ask questions. And I was able to help a lot of people very specifically this way. And that is what I discovered I really do enjoy doing. I like to help people overcome the same obstacles that I had. And that's what I do to this day. And I think that is my story in a nutshell.